5 morning drinks for fast weight loss with ginger. Want to lose weight faster? With just one easy change to your daily routine. Imagine sipping on these delicious, fat-burning drinks while watching the pounds melt away. Today, I'm sharing 5 ginger-based drinks that could be your secret weapon for weight loss. So grab your ginger and let's start making these simple but powerful recipes. Hi there, welcome back to Healthy Habits. Today, we're talking about 5 easy ginger-based drinks that can help speed up your weight loss journey. Ginger isn't just a flavor booster for your favorite dishes, it's a powerhouse for burning fat and aiding digestion. I'll be showing you exactly how to make each drink with easy recipes you can try right away. And here's a bonus. Each drink has its own unique benefits, so there's something for everyone. Whether you're looking for an all-day detox or a refreshing boost, let's start with something simple yet highly effective. Lemon Ginger Detox Water. This drink is a fantastic way to start your day and keep yourself hydrated. For this recipe, you'll need 1 liter of water, a sliced lemon, and a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger, thinly sliced or grated. Just pop the lemon and ginger into the water and let it sit for a few hours, or even overnight in the fridge for maximum flavor and effect. Lemon provides vitamin C to help your body's metabolism, while ginger has thermogenic properties, which means it helps your body burn more calories. Imagine starting your day with this instead of sugary juice. With 0 added sugar, you're saving up to 150 calories right away, while giving your body a metabolism boost. Next up is Green Tea Ginger Tonic. If you're looking for a morning boost or a healthy alternative to coffee, this is a great option. Just brew a cup of green tea and add a small piece of fresh ginger. Let it steep for about 5 minutes. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants like catechins, which help burn fat, and ginger is a natural appetite suppressant. Studies show that green tea can increase calorie burn by 4% over 24 hours, which may not sound like a lot, but over time, it adds up. Think about it. If you replaced a 200-calorie sugary coffee drink with this tonic, you'd save about 6,000 calories a month, which is nearly 2 pounds of weight loss without even trying. Now, let's try something a bit tangier. The apple cider vinegar and ginger drink. You'll need a cup of water, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a teaspoon of grated ginger. For a bit of sweetness, add a teaspoon of honey. Stir it well, and it's ready. Both apple cider vinegar and ginger are known to aid digestion and curb appetite. In fact, taking this drink before meals can help reduce your appetite, meaning you're likely to eat fewer calories during the meal. Imagine drinking this before lunch. You may find yourself eating smaller portions naturally, which could help you cut back by up to 300 calories per meal. Let's mix things up with a refreshing ginger mint lemonade. Perfect for those warm days or whenever you need a midday pick-me-up. You'll need juice from 1 lemon, a teaspoon of grated ginger, a handful of mint leaves, and a bit of honey or stevia to taste. Blend everything together with a cup of water and pour it over ice. This drink not only tastes amazing, but also helps with bloating, a common problem for those trying to lose weight. Lemon aids in hydration and detoxification. Mint is cooling and soothing for digestion. And ginger, of course, keeps that metabolism active. Picture this: instead of grabbing a soda, you're sipping on this low-calorie drink that keeps you feeling full and refreshed. Not only are you avoiding hundreds of empty calories, but you're also nourishing your body. And finally, we have ginger cinnamon tea, the perfect way to end your day. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, which prevents those late-night cravings. To make this tea, simply boil a cup of water with a small piece of ginger and a cinnamon stick. Let it simmer for 10 minutes before enjoying. Balanced blood sugar can mean fewer cravings and a reduced tendency to snack, which is crucial for weight loss. If balanced blood sugar reduces your snacking by even 100 calories a day over a month, that's about 3 pounds of weight loss just by drinking this tea at night. So there you have it, 5 refreshing, easy to make ginger drinks that could support your weight loss journey. These aren't magic potions, But if you're consistent, they can make a real difference. Each drink has unique benefits, so try them all and see which ones work best for you. Which drink are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to see more simple, natural ways to boost your health, hit the subscribe button for more videos. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.